Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on KuCoin. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the necessary identity verification. This ensures a secure trading environment for everyone. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using options like a bank transfer or a credit card. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and available trading pairs. To buy cryptocurrency, head over to the Buy Crypto section. You can choose from a wide range of digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Select your preferred payment method, whether it's a bank transfer or using a credit card. Always double-check your order details, including the amount and price, before confirming your purchase. It's a straightforward process to expand your crypto portfolio. Selling your cryptocurrency on KuCoin is just as simple. Navigate to the Sell Crypto or Trade area. Here, you'll select the digital asset you want to sell and specify the fiat currency you wish to receive, such as US dollars. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the current market price and any associated fees, before finalizing your sale. Your funds will then be processed. Protecting your assets is crucial. Always enable two-factor authentication on your KuCoin account for an extra layer of security. Remember that the crypto market can be volatile, so it's important to manage your risks and only invest what you can afford to lose. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below. Happy trading and stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.